All right, Huskies, welcome to the PRT B Club signups. This is going to look a lot like the A Club signups. Uh, really, the only difference in this video is just some reminders about what to do and what not to do. So, when you are picking a club, just a few reminders. First of all, just know that there are some clubs that only apply to your grade level. So, 7th and 8th grade drama club this time is only for 7th and 8th graders. So, 6th graders don't sign up for that. Board games club is for 7th graders only. Crossword Puzzle Club is for 7th grade only. Debate, 8th grade only. There is a Disney Pixar Movie Club that is 6th and 7th grade only. Documentary Movie Club is 7th and 8th grade only. Geography B is 7th and 8th grade only. Girls on the Run is for girls only. Harry Potter Movie Club is for 6th and 7th grade only. Jazz Band is for 6th grade band, and listen to this one carefully. 6th grade band or orchestra members, or if you're a current jazz band member that is in 7th or 8th grade, you can also join Jazz Band Club. Literary Movie Club is 6th grade only. Model Rocket Club, it is open to all grades, but there is either a $5 fee if you're providing your own model rocket or a $10 fee if you do not have your own model rocket that you need to purchase from Mr. Springer. And then Recycling Club is 8th grade only. So please make sure you sign up for a club that applies to you. If you end up signing up for a club that is not your grade level, for instance, you will end up getting bumped out of that club, and then there will be a limited number of signups available after when you have to go back and re-sign up. One problem that we had last time when we did the sign up is that several students signed up either for more than one club. Please only sign up for one club, and sometimes it was on purpose, sometimes it was on accident. When you are scrolling through on your iPad, some of you all accidentally clicked on multiple signups because when you were moving past where it says sign up, you were accidentally, when you were swiping your finger down, you were actually swiping past where it's the sign up click boxes. Make sure that you're swiping over here to the side so that you don't accidentally click on an extra club. A few people tried to go back in and change their club after the fact. If that happens, we will bump you out of that second club. Whatever your first choice is your choice. If you want to make a change, you have to do that through the office with Mr. Berkman after the fact. Please do not go back in and sign up for extra clubs because that takes away spots from other people and you will not get that second club anyway. So just a quick reminder one more time, pick a club. Make sure you didn't accidentally click, make sure you swipe down on the side over here, not where these click boxes are so that you don't accidentally sign up for an extra one. And I'll do one more quick reminder on how to sign up for these. So let's say I decided to sign up for Silent Reading Club. So I'm going to click here. Then I'll go down and click Submit and Sign Up at the bottom of the page. Once I get to this next page, please don't write anything in the comment section. Make sure that you only have one club chosen. If you see multiple ones there, you need to go back and remove one of them. Make sure the quantity is on one. You're going to type in your name. Do not type in your email. We don't need it. And then list your Husky Time teacher and grade level. And please make sure, don't include, Mr. or Mrs. Just make sure you put their last name. So I'm going to put, we'll put down mine, so Shoemaker. And then grade level, just 8, not 8th, not 7th, not 6th, just put in 8. That'll simplify this process for everyone. And then click Sign Up Now. And that is it. And it should tell you that you will have one club. If you end up with more than one club after all of our precautions, please, teachers, please send those students down to my classroom, and hopefully it's not very many. If it ends up being too many, I may send them back to you so we can hopefully fix this right away rather than after the fact. Again, students, happy club signups. Mr. Berkman is going to come on with another announcement here in just a few minutes. Teachers, please do not post the QR code until you have heard that announcement from Mr. Berkman. Again, please do not post the QR code for students until after Mr. Berkman makes the second announcement. Thank you.